Hello everyone, in this class we will discuss how one should approach for GATE preparation. That means whatever subjects are there or whatever syllabus are there in GATE for GATE exam, how one should approach those subjects so that he or she can feel interested in the journey of GATE preparation and can make himself motivated for the long journey. Look, this is not a one day preparation or one day journey. It has to, you need to survive for at least 150 to 180 days before GATE exam. If you can continue survive this particular duration, this particular long duration, then only you can come up with a good result. Clear? So it is very essential to maintain the interest as well as keep motivated himself or herself. So now how one should approach the subjects or syllabus of GATE so that he or she will maintain the interest in the preparation or in the journey, and how he or she can motivated himself so that they can continue the preparation for a such long duration of 150 to 180 days. Clear? Now look, in GATE exam almost every year at around 1 lakh aspirant applied for GATE exam, but among those 1 lakh student only a few percentage prepare for GATE. Now those who are preparing for GATE exam, they are also come into two category. One is one group of aspirant, they are preparing for GATE exam but they don't have any basic knowledge of computer science. That means they need to start from zero level, and it is not very difficult. It is not very difficult to start from zero level and secure a good marks in GATE exam. It is easy. Clear? It is not that much easy, but you can do it if you keep consistency in your preparation, if you keep motivated yourself, if you can make interest yourself in the computer science field. Only at that time you can easily achieve that thing. You can easily secure a good marks, good score in GATE exam. Clear? So how one aspirant who has no knowledge, who need to start from zero level, how he or she should approach to the GATE preparation. First I will discuss that part and then come to the next scenario where aspirant already have some extent of basic knowledge about computer science. Clear? So first come to the aspirant who don't have any pre-knowledge about GATE computer science or basic information of computer science, how they can approach the preparation of GATE. Look, for such student, you first need to build a foundation for your preparation. Before you shift to the GATE syllabus, you need to build a strong foundation for GATE preparation so that your journey, when you start the GATE syllabus, at that time it becomes easy to you to survive when you work with concepts that are little bit complex. Clear? So because of that, you need first build a foundation, and for foundation you just need to work with three things. First thing, you need to cover the number system, but in number system how much you need to know before start GATE preparation. Look, in number system you need only the basic things, very basic things. So what comes in under very basic things? In very basic things, you need to know what is number system, why it is required for computer science, why in computer science you need to start with number system only, and then what are the various type of number system available, what is weighted number system, how weighted number system work, how we can convert a number from a particular weighted number system to some other weighted number system. After completion of this thing, you need to know how numbers are represented in digital memory, in computer memory or digital memory, how all the numbers are represented in digital memory. Now in numbers also we have two types. One is decimal point, without decimal point, and other part is with decimal point. In without decimal point, again we have two part. One is positive number, one is negative number. How positive number can be represented in digital memory, how negative number can be represented in digital memory, why signed number representation comes for negative number, why ones complement number representation comes for this negative number, why two's complement number system used for signed number representation, and why after two's complement no other number system was introduced to represent any number, any type of numbers. All those things you need to know, but you need not to concentrate on the real number representation part. Later on, when you start study of digital logic design, at that time you can complete the remaining part of number system. But to build the foundation, you should know till two's complement number representation in number system. After completion of number system part, you need to know the memory concept. But how much you need to know? In memory management system, in memory concept also, you need to know the basic, very basic things only. Look, like how memory are formed, how memory are represented, what is bit, what is byte, what is memory address, how bit and byte are related with each other, what are the other units that used to represent memory, like what is kilobyte, what is megabyte, what is gigabyte, what is terabyte, how all those things are related with bits and byte, also how they are related with each other. All those things you need to know. Only this much you need to know in case of memory concept. Now after completion of number system and memory concept, you need to know one more thing to complete your foundation part, and that is basic structure of computer system. Now what is basic structure of computer system and how much you need to know to build proper foundation, you need to know what are the various components required to form a complete computer system. That is 4 types of components we have: input device, output device, processing device, and memory device. Now memory part basic of memory part we already covered, but now in basic structure of computer system, we need to know, along with all these 4 components, what are the purpose of each component. That means why each component is required, what happen if we don't use any particular component, which components are essential component. Clear? How all these components combine together and form a computer system. You need to know this much basic to build your proper foundation. After you complete your formation of your foundation, and then you can switch your journey to the core computer science part. Now in core computer science part, as you are a very beginner, I will suggest you, as you are a very beginner in computer science, and you just form your basic foundation for the computer science, I will suggest you next you should start with C programming part. Clear? After completion of C programming part, you continue with data structure part in group 1. Now in group 1, after completion of these two subjects, you switch this group and left the algorithm part for later, and select any of the 3 other groups. But I will suggest you to start working with group 2, and in group 2 you complete digital logic design part and then complete the operating system part, and again left the computer organization and architecture part. After completion of these two part, you can switch any of these two group, but again I will suggest you to work with group 3, and in group 3 complete automata theory and compiler design. That means you complete group 3 as a whole, but you left one subject from group 1 and one subject from group 2. After completion of group 3, I will suggest you to complete the group 4 part, and in group 4 you can work with DBMS or networking as per your choice, because both of these are independent subject. There is no dependency on any of this subject. Clear? So next you should cover this DBMS and networking part. After that you left with only 2 subjects. One is algorithm from group 1 and other one is computer organization and architecture in group 2. Now you back to the group 1, but before start algorithm, select 2 days period of time and revise all the concepts from C programming and data structure. And it is easy to complete the revision of C programming concepts and data structure concepts in 2 days. Clear? But look, in 2 days you can't complete the whole preparation or whole things of both subject. You need not to revise the problem that you solved while preparing for the first time. You just need to revise the conceptual part of C programming and data structure, and that can be done in 2 days. And after completion of revision of these two subjects, you start with algorithm part and complete this algorithm subject. Clear? And now group 1 full complete, group 3 complete, group 4 complete. You left with only one subject, and that is computer organization and architecture. Now again use the same strategy whatever we used to complete algorithm part. Before start computer organization and architecture part, take a duration of 3 to 4 days, because DLD and operating system both contains lot of conceptual part. So you can't complete the revision of DLD as well as operating system in just 2 days. You need at least 3 to 4 days, or maybe it can vary to 5 days. Clear? But whatever days required, complete the revision first. After that start working with computer organization and architecture part. Now complete computer organization and architecture part. That means the whole syllabus of core computer science part in GATE syllabus, you already completed all the part. Now there is one difficulties, that is you can't complete this whole syllabus in 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. You need at least 4 to 5 months, as you are a very beginner. Clear? So you need to concentrate each day of those 4, 5 or 6 months, whatever it is required for you. But how to maintain those concentration, how to maintain that level of dedication, that level of motivation, how to maintain that level of interest, so that you can easily understand each and every concept of each subject. Because of that, I will prefer you, along with all these subjects preparation, continue work with mathematics part also. Look, We are from computer science background, and computer science background students are in generally they are average in mathematics part, and because of that there is a tendency to ignore the mathematics part, and we have certain type of predefined mentality that maths is a tough part. Maths is tough or difficult. We can't cover or we can't understand the mathematics part, but that is not the scenario. In whatever mathematics syllabus included in the GATE syllabus, those are interesting as well as easy to understand, and if you cover all these mathematics syllabus easily, you can score 10 out of 13. At least 10 out of 13 you can score. Anyone can score 10 out of 13 in mathematics. Clear? So I will prefer you, or I will suggest you along with this all these subjects, but one thing, that is when you prepare for foundation part and complete the C programming part and work with C programming part, until you complete this part, that means until you complete the C programming part, you should not concentrate with mathematics part. Till this point you should concentrate only on your computer science part. Clear? After you complete the C programming part, when you start work with data structure part, at that time you make a schedule or you make a slot in every day when you should work with mathematics, at least 1.5 hours, that means 90 minutes duration you should reserve for mathematics part each day, and you have to follow that schedule. Now coming to the mathematics part. In mathematics part, look, the combinatories is very essential concept, and these combinatories concept are also used in other parts like discrete mathematics, probability, random variable, graph theory. In all these three subpart, concept of combinatory is used. That means because of that I kept combinatories in the first position. So in mathematics, first complete the combinatories part, after that complete discrete mathematics, after that complete probability and random variable, after that complete graph theory. After completion of graph theory, complete linear algebra, complete propositional logic, and then calculus. Now why I kept this calculus part at the last or at the end? Because this calculus part, in every year from calculus part there is no question. After every 2-3 years, in every alternative 2-3 years, there is a question from calculus part. Because of that reason I kept it at the end of math syllabus. Clear? And there is no guarantee that you may have a question from calculus, but there is guarantee that you may have questions from all this part. Clear? And along with this thing, one more point with calculus, that is the syllabus of calculus is very vast. You need some span of time of 20 to 25 days to complete the calculus part, only calculus part. Clear? Because of that also I kept it at the end of the whole syllabus. Clear? Now this is how one who don't have any basic of computer science can approach the GATE preparation strategy. Clear? Now coming to the next part of aspirant, that means who already have certain level of knowledge about computer science, how they can approach the GATE preparation. Look, if you already know these things, that means you don't need to work on these three parts. You already have the foundation. Now you can directly switch to the core computer science part, and you can from very first day, along with the core computer science part, you can work with the mathematics part also. If you are confident with mathematics part, at that time you can skip the mathematics part for certain period of time, but you need to work with the mathematics part also. After that only you can secure 10 out of 13 in mathematics part, and that is very huge. That is huge mark. If you can secure 10 out of 13, that will make the that have the capability to change the whole game of gate. Clear? So and other part is exactly same. Whatever approach of whatever sequence I told, for those who don't have the basic foundation and who already have the basic of computer knowledge can follow the same sequence or same sequence of subjects for gate preparation. Clear? And I believe that it will keep your motivation and you will get the interest in the computer science also. It will help you to build the interest in computer science. Clear? So that's it for today. Hope this video is informative for you and this video can help you for your gate journey. So if you think this video is useful for you, please like and share the video, and if you have any constructive criticism, please do share in comment so that we can follow your comment and your suggestion and improve ourselves and serve in a better way. So that's it for today. Thank you. See you soon in our next class.